Hey everyone, welcome to Graphics by Shivam. So today I will show you how to remove background from an image. So first option is by Magic Eraser tool. You can right click here and you can say Magic Eraser tool, and simply you want to just click जो आपको जो रिमूव करना है पार्ट, and there you go. Second method is by quick selection tool. Simply just click quick selection and make sure you select that area and select subject. Here the area has been selected and just here mask it. Simple as that. The third method is by using pen tool. So simply just press P. Here you can see and simply just make selection. Just making it fast, simply show you how you do it. You can take your time. For example, I just want his head only and I have selected that part. You can see make selection 0, okay, and just mask it. Simple. There you go. Hope you enjoy the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.